Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Master EX. To begin, you will form a team of 3 sync pairs, each consisting of a trainer and their Pokémon. Battles unfold in real time, requiring you to strategically use your sync pairs moves. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to effectively command your team and navigate the game's features. This foundational knowledge is key to starting your journey. The core of combat revolves around the move gauge, which fills over time, allowing you to use moves. Pay close attention to type advantages and weaknesses. Hitting an opponent with a super effective attack can deal double damage. After performing 9 actions, your sync pair can unleash a devastating sync move, a powerful attack that can turn the tide of battle. Mastering these elements is crucial for victory. To make your team stronger, you will need to level up your sync pairs using experience manuals. This increases their base stats, making them more formidable in battle. Additionally, the sync grid allows you to unlock various stat boosts and passive skills, customizing each sync pair's abilities. Some Pokémon can even evolve, gaining significant power increases and new moves, further strengthening your roster. Pokémon Master EX offers a variety of content to explore. The main story guides you through the Paseo region, unlocking new chapters and challenges as you progress. Limited-time events provide unique opportunities to earn rare items and sync pairs. For a true test of strategy, the Battle Villa presents multi-stage battles where your team's health and move gauge carry over, demanding careful planning and execution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.